Imagine a world where your ideas take shape before your eyes. This is the wonder of 3D printing, a revolutionary technology that transforms digital designs into tangible objects. With each layer, the printer meticulously builds the object, much like stacking colorful blocks to create a masterpiece. The process begins with a carefully crafted digital design. The printer interprets this design, layering materials in precise sequences to develop everything from intricate jewelry to robust tools. This magic happens right before your eyes, opening doors to creativity and innovation. 3D printing is not just a novelty. It has practical applications in various sectors, including education, healthcare, and aerospace. It enables individuals to produce custom items and repairs, paving the way for a hands-on approach to creation, making it a thrilling glimpse into the future of manufacturing.